County police say a student found bullets at his bus stop this morning and then brought them to school. Melbourne police say the fourth grader from University Park Elementary School found 3 9mm bullets as he was waiting for the bus at Harbor Avenue and Lakewood Drive. According to investigators, the boy brought them to school in his backpack and showed them off to other kids. Some students told school administrators, who confronted the boy and took the bullets away. Investigators talked to the boy's parents and found they don't own any guns, so police say the boy must have actually found them. The school sent a note home to parents explaining what happened and that no students were ever in danger. But one parent we talked to says the letter wasn't enough, especially after what happened in Connecticut last week.
I mean, it was just sketchy information anyways that I was getting, so I didn't know, if there were bullets, if there was a gun with the bullets, where the bullet came from, anything. So, yeah, I probably would have picked him up.
No charges will be filed, but police say disciplinary action against the student will be left up to the school. Melbourne police now have those bullets. And since the bus stop was actually in Palm Bay's jurisdiction, police there are searching the area in case there are any more.